Yeah, this is my attempt at making a gasification stove out of a pint and a quart can. Paint can, you can get these at Lowe's. Drilling holes at the moment. You can use a screwdriver to puncture holes. It's a lot faster and easier, less noisy. For the inner can, you could basically Swiss cheese it. It would be fine. I'm gonna kind of make it near the bottom and the middle. The inner one, you kind of need a gap for the gasification to happen. I'm not an expert on any of this stuff. I'm just really trying to make a video. I'm learning to edit all over again, so I figured this would be a good place to start. Real easy, and these don't last long. They rust very easily, so you're gonna have to make a few. So this is my version 1, and the bottom of that can would not fit, so I had to cut it up and try to pry everything in. I started getting frustrated at some point because I figured this would be an easy process, which it wasn't hard, but yeah, it was being very difficult. This is going to be an awful tutorial. Like I said, this is mostly for me learning to edit videos. Like and subscribe as I continue my journey. Try to make these better for you and more entertaining. Get used to doing voices and all that, recording, editing. It's all a pain. Oh, anyway, back to the stove part. Yep, I'm just going to hammer it in because it is not fitting. Give it some nice love taps. Should slide right on in. Always use the right tool for the job. Know what you're going to use before you get there. Alright, now that's looking awful. Still not fitting either, so hopefully this process is easier for you. It's usually easier with Progresso cans or like a Chefware D can. It's not as girthy in the bottom end. At this point, I can't tell you what I'm doing. I'm just sort of raised drilling at this point. Popping a few more holes into this thing. Hopefully it burns. Oh my god. It skips. The edits are really bad. Bear with me. Still not fitting. Might need to finesse it some more. This is where you need to know what tool you're going to use. Not smooth at all. Now after off-screen savage beating, you fit right in. There we go. Perfect. Now to kind of seat it in a little bit. Some more love taps. Alright, now here I'm doing some damage control, trying to straighten the can. Now that it's in, gonna push all that out or in, depends on how you see it. And voila, nice surface area in there for stuff to burn. Looks like crushed up tin foil. The outside don't look too bad. Alright. Oh. Alright, well, like I said, this is my first attempt. Okay, I think I'm done with the voiceover. Alright. I might have botched that. But anyway, thank you if you made it this far. Now I'm gonna light this up. Hopefully see some gasification. I think I can just roll some music from here. Except without the music, because I'm not there yet.